Hello, 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 everybody. I'm back. I know I've been MIA, but I just been working in the garden, sitting inside watching the rain because it has been raining constantly here in Texas. And I wanted to show you guys my potatoes have died back. What's up, Elvin?
Um, my teachers are not letting me in, and I tried turning off my computer and turning it back on, and they're still not letting me in. It does not look like they started the meeting yet.
Okay, try again. Connect kids, connect kids, connect kids. Zoom issues. So, I just wanted to show you guys I'm excited. So anyway, let's jump in. All right, y'all. So this is my potato harvest. Now, this is my first time growing potatoes, so I didn't put enough dirt. I didn't mound it up enough. So these potatoes right here were exposed to the sun. So I'm wondering, can I just use them? Oh, look at the little baby potato. Can I just use them for I'm so proud of myself. Look at this, y'all. Freaking potatoes, even though they're green. They're poisonous. So, can I use them for seed potatoes, y'all? Oh, no, I don't know. I'm not sure. Help me out, y'all. So, I'm going to put these to the side because they were exposed to the sunlight. But I'm going to pick all the other ones out. And I'm sorry if the camera is shaky. I'm like super stoked because other than, look at this, other than cucumbers and lettuce, I haven't really grown, well, I'm lying. I've only grown minimal of things. Oh, what happened there? What the feezy? I don't even want to touch that. Was that the seed potato? Ew, I don't even want to put my hands in here now. Let me get some gloves. Okay, so this mess. I don't know. With all this rain, I don't know. Oh my goodness. Looky, looky. They small. But guess what? They are mine. Uh-oh. Hey. Y'all can't tell me nothing. You hear? Oh my goodness. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Look at this, y'all. Get the out of here. I got doggone. Look at this, how big this one is. Get the out of here. Now, something come crawling out of here besides a potato. This whole phone gonna be in this bin. I don't think nothing is down that far. Okay, so that's that side. Oh, look at the little baby. Dang, man. You live and you learn. So that's that side. Let me switch to this side. It's looking nice. How you doing? I don't think they went that far down. So another question for y'all is, oh, what's that? Can I still use this soil, or do I have to start over? Can I like fertilize it and give it some blood meal and keep it on, or do I have to start over? All right, so that is it. I think that right there was one of my seed potatoes. So y'all, what y'all think? Not too shabby for my first haul. So I'm gonna need some help with these. Do I keep these? Do I compost them? Can you use them for a seed potato? Looks like we're gonna be having some kind of mashed potatoes. Some mashed taters soon. Alright, y'all. So this is my potato harvest. Thank y'all for watching. Appreciate if you like and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so tell your friends about me. Tell your family members about me. Until I see y'all in the next video, peace.